Hey, so I love to mix different food combinations, especially if it's healthy. And this is a vegan apple peach cobbler. It wasn't sweet enough for my palate, but I did not want to get rid of it because I know it was good for me and good to me. So I wanted to mix it and make it a smoothie. I did that by also including some of my marine collagen. As you get older, you got to have that collagen in your life. And I love this because it has all the additives and things that are necessary for bone strength, just for overall health. And I always add this to every smoothie that I do. And so, okay, I put the ice in the cup, and I got this cute little blender. I love this blender because it's so easy and so quick. Then I put that delicious apple peach cobbler in there. I didn't add any extra sweetener to it. I'm just going to simply add my milk to it. That's what it looks like after I put it in. I put my collagen in there, and then I'm going to add the milk, which is already naturally sweet because it has a little vanilla in it. So oat milk, I don't drink milk. I drink oat milk. Milk gives me bubblies, okay? That's enough said. Then I got this blender. It is so cool. I love it because it's quick, it's simple. I'm blending it all the flavors together are coming together, and I cannot wait to see how this tastes. That's what it looked like afterwards. Looks nice and creamy. Yes. I am going to pour it in this wonderful glass that I got. I love glass, y'all. Something about plastic just don't do good to me, but I love this glass. Got this from Amazon as well. And it is going to be so yummy. If you could smell it, I can't smell it, but I can look at it and it looks delicious. Put the top on it and let's see how it tastes. Nice, pretty peachy color. Yummy, oh yummy.